In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see host reviews on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, use the search feature to find the listing you're interested in. You can search by destination, dates, or any other details you already have. When the correct property appears, open the listing so you can view the full page and all of its details. After the listing loads, scroll down until you reach the reviews section. This area is one of the most helpful parts of the listing because it gives you insight from previous guests who have actually stayed there. Take a moment to read through the guest reviews carefully. As you go, pay attention not only to what people say about the space itself, but also to what they mention about the host. Guests often share useful details about responsiveness, helpfulness, check-in support, and the overall experience during their stay. Next, look for the host's profile photo or name on the listing page and tap or click it to open the host's profile. This is where you can learn more specifically about the person managing the stay. On the host's profile, look for any reviews and ratings left by previous guests, if that information is available. Depending on the listing and profile layout, host-related feedback may appear directly in the profile or be reflected through guest comments connected to their listings. As you read, try to browse more than just one or two reviews. Looking through multiple reviews gives you a much clearer picture of what to expect. This is especially useful when you want to understand patterns in the host's communication, cleanliness standards, listing accuracy, and overall hospitality. For example, if several guests mention fast replies, smooth check-in, and an accurate description, that's usually a strong positive sign. On the other hand, repeated complaints can help you spot potential issues before booking. Finally, use all of this information to decide whether the listing feels like a good fit for your trip. Reviews can help you move beyond the photos and description so you can make a more confident decision based on real guest experiences. That's how to see host reviews on Airbnb.